everyone. Welcome to the very first and historic episode of Lilac Studio EduTalks by Centennials, an initiative by Central Academy, Udaipur. We learn, we laugh, we question because we Centennials never stay silent. So, we are the students of class 9th from Central Academy Sector 3, and in today's episode, we are going to talk about our history chapter that is full of shock, power, dictatorship, and a very strange mustache. Yes, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So, I'm Niharika, your host for today, and with me, I have got four awesome co hosts. So, please introduce yourselves.
Hey guys, this is Tanish. Here to make history sound normal. That's the real challenge.
Hi, I'm Charvi. Warning you already. I have too many World War jokes today.
And I'm Gurji, the history gossip king. Seriously, history is just old people doing dramatic things.
And I am Divyansh, the sensible one.
Let's begin. Germany lost World War I and it had to sign the Treaty of Versailles, the worst terms and conditions ever.
It's like a parents tell you, you failed in maths, so from now you will wash dishes, clean your room, and no pocket money.
Exactly. Germany had to pay a massive war compensation, give up land, demilitarize its army, and the worst, accept the full responsibility of the war. And after all this, the situation got terrible. No jobs, starvation was everywhere, and inflation went wild.
Let me give you a real life comparison. A loaf of bread in 1923 cost 4 trillion marks. Even Monopoly money felt richer.
And then came Hitler, a failed painter who turned into a politician.
So you're basically saying if I fail in art class, I could still become a dictator.
No! Hitler promised jobs, pride, and revenge. People believed him not because he was nice, but because they were desperate.
He used propaganda, posters, radios, movies. Hitler is our hero. Germany is superior.
But before Hitler could actually rise to power, something huge hit the world: the Great Economic Depression.
Wait, you mean the kind of I spent all my pocket money and now I'm broke depression?
Not exactly. This was the time when whole world went broke.
Yes, let me tell you, in 1929, the American stock market crashed. It stopped giving loans to Germany, and within months, the German factories shut down completely.
Unemployment hit the roof. Nearly 6 million people lost their jobs. Shops closed, families starved, and there was no value of money.
People were frustrated. They stopped trusting the Weimar Republic, the democratic government of Germany at that time.
And right when everyone was losing hope, guess who appeared with big promises?
Hitler.
That's how the Great Economic Depression became the perfect chance for Hitler to grab the power of Germany.
If we talk about key beliefs of Nazism, they believed that Aryans were the master race and others were inferior. They obey Hitler with blind obedience and show anti-Jewish sentiments and aggressive nationalism.
Basically, if Hitler had a problem with someone, poof, they became enemies.
But have you ever thought why people believed Hitler so blindly?
Because Hitler controlled everything: school, newspaper, even arts. Children were taught that Hitler is their greatest hero.
Yes, there was even a youth organization called the Hitler Youth, where boys were trained to be loyal soldiers and girls were trained that their duties was to serve the nation by becoming good mothers.
It's scary how propaganda could brainwash an entire generation. If Hitler used social media, the hashtags would be like hashtag leader goals or hashtag no freedom. But okay.
Exactly. It shows how dangerous it is when education is replaced by manipulation.
And this hatred led to one of the darkest tragedies the world experienced till date.
The Holocaust.
6 million Jews, 1 million Poles, 70,000 mentally and physically disabled people, along with 2 lakh gypsies, were starved and killed in the concentration camps.
We must remember this. Every voice silenced, every life lost. Because the moment we forget this, the world becomes more vulnerable to repeating the same mistake.
So, what did you guys learn from this episode?
Never let anger lead a nation.
Never believe that one group is better than another.
Never let mustaches fool you.
Most importantly, democracy is precious. It protects rights, diversity, and freedom of speech.
This was the episode 1 of Lilac Studio Edu Talks by Centimians. If you learned something new, hit subscribe, like, share, and tell your history teacher that we are trying our best. See you in the next episode. Till then,
Be curious.
Be kind.
Be brave.
Be knowledgeable.
bye.